Extreme automation, amazing automated systems in China, unmanned technology. The ravaging COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted many sectors across the global economy, posing multiple challenges to enterprises and their manufacturing capacity. But there is one sector that has remained unaffected, witnessing record new development over the past 2 years: autonomous technologies. Today, we will introduce you to 3 incredible automated technologies deployed in China. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Automated ports. The fully automated container terminal uses a process of shore layout side loading and unloading technology, plus driverless truck horizontal transportation that could reduce the comprehensive terminal cost by 70%. It could also lower 50% of the total energy consumption of a single container during loading and unloading. The independently designed Vehicle Road Coordination System, V2X, used for the terminal is designed for the safe and orderly operation of driverless container trucks, achieving one-click container handling from the land side. A success rate reaching 100% is claimed, the highest level of the industry. For the first time, the terminal applies Beidou and 5G as well as Domestic Terminal Operating System, TOS, on the whole process of automated container handling. Since the establishment 2 years ago, Shandong Port Group has been engaged in fully automated container terminal construction. The successful operation of automated container terminals at Qingdao Port and Rizhao Port will further promote smart port development of the group. Number 2. Driverless robot taxi. Chinese internet giant Beidou and autonomous vehicle company Pony AI have received permits to provide driverless ride-hailing services to the public on open roads in Beijing, according to both companies. To date, numerous cities in China have allowed autonomous vehicle companies to test self-driving vehicles without human safety operator in the driver's seat. But this is the first time companies are allowed to run a fully driverless service. The permits issued by the head office of Bajaj allow Beidou to deploy 10 driverless vehicles in Beijing, which will join Beidou's existing Apollo Go fleet of about 100 cars in the capital city. China is home to many AV companies that are chasing commercialization, and it's clear from both Beidou's and Pony's milestones that the country is moving forward with regulation to bring autonomous technology to market. Number 3. Automated farming. The shift to automation is key to the farming sector in the world's number 2 economy as it grapples with an aging rural workforce and a dearth of young people not willing to endure the hardships many associate with toiling on the land. Drones sowing seeds for aging farmers. On April 2020, XAG organized the world's first ever rice-directing seeding demonstration on the comparison between manual broadcasting and drone seeding. The operation was conducted in China's Happy Farms, one of the largest modern agricultural parks, as well as smart agricultural demonstration site in Guangdong province. 2 workers were invited to spread 5 kilograms of rice seeds, walking slowly through the waterlogged paddy field with their feet swamped in the mud. This was a laborious and lengthy process, which took them 25 minutes to cover 1,200 square meters of land. Then, XAG's drone followed a pre-programmed route and dispensed rice seeds from the air. With the jet seed granule spreading system, it finished the same amount of work in only 2 minutes. One XAG agricultural drone can seed 50,000 square meters of land per hour, which would otherwise take 50 to 60 field workers to complete. Happy Farms has just announced XAG's autonomous drones to replace manual labor for seeding, fertilization, and crop spraying. Driverless tractors. A brand new combine harvester buzzes up and down a field in eastern China without a driver on board, chopping golden rice stalks and offering a glimpse of what authorities say is the automated future of the nation's mammoth agricultural sector. The prototype was operating last autumn during a trial of driverless farm equipment as the government pushes firms to develop within 7 years fully automated machinery capable of planting, fertilizing, and harvesting each of China's staples of rice, wheat, and corn. Automated farming is the way ahead and demand for it is huge, said Cheng Yu, general manager of tractor maker Changshao Dongfeng CVT Company Limited, which provided an autonomous vehicle that was also used at the trial in the rice field in Xinghua, a county in the eastern province of Jiangsu. Farming robot. Developed by Fujian Academy of Agricultural Sciences and Fujian Newland Era High-Tech Company Limited, the robot is part of their efforts to build an autonomous running farm. The white, 5G-enabled, sensor-rich agricultural robot can move between 2 rows of leafy greens in a greenhouse, collect data about the plants, and feed it back to the Agricultural Intelligence Control Room. So this was today's video. You liked our video? Tell us in the comment section. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more regular updates. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.